What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 no notification sound. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off do not disturb mode. Now swipe down to your control center, and if you turn on your do not disturb mode, then turn it off. If you can't find the do not disturb here, then simply go back and open settings and click on sounds and vibration. So scroll down in last and click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn on or off your do not disturb. If you turn it on, then turn it off. After turn it off, then go back and click on notifications. Now here you can turn on your all apps notification. After turn on your notifications, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.